Okay, Assalamualaikum. Now we will look into interval estimation for independent sample first. Okay, specifically for case number 1 and case number 2 only. Okay, we look into formula first. Okay, for case number 1, of population variance are known, or population standard deviation are known. The formula is given by x bar 1 minus x bar 2 plus minus z alpha over 2 square root sigma 1 square over n1 plus sigma 2 square over n2. And case number 2, population variance or population standard deviation are unknown, but the sample size for both population are greater or equals to 30. The formula is given by x bar 1 minus x bar 2 plus minus z alpha over 2 times s1 square over n1 plus s2 square over n2. Okay, the difference here is just only at the end of the formula. First, we use notation sigma because we know the population variance or population standard deviation. The second formula, we replace the sigma with s because we just only have information on the sample, not the population. Okay, let's take a look into the example for case number 1. Okay, which is sigma 1, sigma 2 are known, or sigma 1 square, sigma 2 square known. Okay, look at the example. Two group of students are given a problem solving test and the result are compared. Okay, so we have information in the table regarding the sample mean, population standard deviation, and sample size for mathematics major and computer science major. Okay, the question asks us to construct a 95% confidence interval for the mean difference between the two groups. Okay, so the main or the important information here are you are given the population standard deviation value. So this example are referring to the case number 1. Okay, so to construct a 95% confidence interval, you should know what is the value of alpha. So alpha here are equals to 0.05. So z alpha over 2 equals z 0.025. So you need to refer statistical table number 4 and we get the value equals to 1.96. And then you can utilize the formula by substitute all the value, and finally you get 2.6791 and 6.1209. Make sure you solve the minus sign first and then later you solve the plus sign. Okay, now look to case number 2. Sigma 1 square, sigma 2 square are unknown, but our n are large. Also, based on this example, okay, look at the information given. We are only given the sample standard deviation, not the population. So we doesn't know what is the value of population standard deviation or population variance. And then look at the sample size for both population are greater than 30. So construct 95% confidence interval for the mean difference between population 1 and population 2. Okay, alpha here equals to 0.05. Okay, so z 0.025 equals to 1.96. Refer to the statistical table number 4. And then you substitute all the value into the formula, and finally we get confidence interval equals to 0.5947, 3.4053. Okay, after this, please solve the rest example for case number 1 and case number 2. And at the end of all the example for independent case, I will give you the full solution of all example. Okay.